In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hootsuite, an essential tool for social media management, especially tailored for small businesses. Managing multiple social media accounts can seem overwhelming, but Hootsuite streamlines the process, saving you time and effort. Let's dive right in and get you started. First, head over to hootsuite.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Navigate to the bottom left of your screen where you'll find your profile picture. Click on it and a menu will appear. Select social accounts and teams. This is where you'll connect your various social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and more. Connecting these accounts allows you to manage them all from one place, making your job way easier. Now that your platforms are connected, it's time to create your first post. Look to the left panel and click the Create button. This action brings up a few options, and you'll want to select Post. It's a straightforward choice leading you to the next step where you choose which account or accounts you'd like to publish to. This is one of Hootsuite's powerful features, letting you tailor your messages to different audiences all from one interface. With your account selected, it's time to craft your post. Add a catchy caption, include any necessary links, and upload an image or video that complements your message. Visuals are key in grabbing attention, so make sure they're high quality and relevant. When you're ready, rather than sending it out immediately, let's schedule your post. Click on Schedule for Later, and you'll be prompted to pick a date and time that fits your strategy. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining a consistent posting schedule without the need to be online constantly. Once you've chosen the perfect time, just hit Schedule and your post will be set to go live at the moment you specified. To monitor and engage, let's move to the Stream section found in the left menu. Here you can add a tab for each of your platforms. Setting up columns such as My Posts, Mentions, and Comments allows you to track engagement effectively and manage interactions with your audience all in one place. Customizing these streams helps ensure you never miss a beat in your communication efforts. When you're ready to delve into your performance metrics, click on Analytics in the left menu. Hootsuite's analytics provide various reports, including post engagement, audience growth, and performance highlights. These insights are invaluable for understanding what works and what doesn't, helping you refine your strategy over time. By keeping an eye on these metrics, you can ensure your efforts are aligned with your business goals. And there you have it, a concise yet comprehensive overview of using Hootsuite to master social media management for your small business. With these tools, you're all set to streamline your social strategy, engage effectively with your audience, and drive real results. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.